So I just received the package. It is the Monster M3 Blaster Micro wearable Bluetooth speaker. That's a mouthful. It's tiny. It has USB-C. It has big sound, 6 watts, I believe, and it can take calls. It does take phone calls because it has a tiny microphone on it. So that's Monster. That you can pause to see more information there. It has a built-in microphone. It's Bluetooth 5.3 or 4, I believe, but it does not have multi-connection capability. So bear that in mind. You would have to disconnect the previous device before connecting to another one. So it is from Shenzhen, from China, as suspected, because I cannot see this, I cannot find this on the US website, but it's everywhere on the Chinese website. So I suspect it's made specifically for this market and the Southeast Asian market. So the box is a little bit damaged at the corner. That's okay. So that's a stamp of authenticity, and that's the box itself. So let's try to open it. So this is the speaker itself, quite small. What comes in the box, other things coming in the box is this cable, USB-A to C, and this tiny wire to hang your speaker somewhere. And this is the manual. You can pause to see in a little bit more detail if you'd like to. It has 3 buttons plus a LED light indicating various things. So let's put that aside. This is a warranty card. There's not much interesting there. So that's limited warranty. I believe it comes with 1-year warranty. So let's unbox this. Let's unwrap this. So this is a speaker itself, very well made, surprisingly well made for such a small price. And this is a USB-C port, which is covered because it has, I think, IPX5 resistant, so it's not resistant to dust. So you could please check this if you will. Thank you. So that's the clipper, which also is magnetic, so you can hang on, you can stick it on to metal surfaces. It's very lightweight, barely feels anything in the hand, which I really, really love because I'd like to take this to places. If you press for 2 seconds, it will power up. So now it's in discovery mode. So it now appears on my phone, and let's connect it. Connected there, and let's configure it to be speaker. So the device will recognize it more easily. So let's try some music, some default music from the iOS operating system. Doesn't seem to be playing. Let's try again. Okay. So you can adjust the volume right on from the speaker. That's very convenient. So if you press a short press, it will go up incrementally, but if you long press it, it will go faster. Right. So it goes up little by little there. Okay, let's try something else. Ambient music for well-being. Of course, you can also change the volume from this interface. You can play and pause right on the speaker. You can adjust the volume there, of course, and you can double press it to skip songs. Right? I'm sorry, I think you have to hold it to skip songs. You can choose the sound source there. That's the Monster Blaster Micro there. And you can adjust volume there as well. I think this is iOS 26. Okay, so you would have to double press it to change songs, to skip songs. And it works with the minus button as well because it will go to the previous one. And it also shows up here the battery level shows up on the Bluetooth battery panel on your phone as well, so that's very convenient to monitor your battery. Okay, let's do now a quick test of the comparison of the phone speaker versus the speaker itself. So let's switch it to my phone. So this is what the iPhone speaker sounds like. Let's push it all the way up. And switch it to Monster Blaster Micro. Okay, it's significantly louder, right? And richer as well, of course, because it's 6 watt. So let's now test the recording capability.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing.
Okay, let's see what it sounds like.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing.
So that's what the speaker sounds like. Sorry, the microphone sounds like. Looks like it's plenty enough for phone calls. It's very pretty as well, right? And it also comes with a magnetic clipper, so you can stick it onto any metal surface, as you can see here. This is the back of my chair, which is metal, and it sticks right on there with no problem at all. It doesn't seem to be a very strong magnet though. And it also has a clipper, so you can clip it onto your shirt or anywhere you'd like. And you can hang it also to any place where you can hang it and play music and chilling. So that's a quick look at this Monster M3 speaker. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.